Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create some Christmas themed videos really easily in Filmora 14 with just a ton of assets for you to potentially use. Within Filmora 14, if you go into the stock media section, there is an area for Christmas themes in here. So there's a lot of different media that you can use, whether you want backgrounds or whole scenes that you can use in your videos. It's really easy to just pick the one you like and insert it into your video clip. So for example, what I can do is use some of these clips as a background. So what I can do is grab this one, pull it onto my timeline, and what I can do is use that as a background. So now I can also add other assets on top of this. So for example, if I scroll up here, let's say I want to pull in this snowman in here, I can pull that right above in the clip section right above. So we've got that in there. Now obviously it's taking up the entire screen, but I can shrink this down a bit. So if I adjust the size of this clip, let's say to around, let's say 88%. There we go. So now we've got that outline, we've got that background, and we've got our image in here. Now if you want to make this background last a bit longer, because obviously this is just a clip, what we can do is hold the control button and drag this so that it's a slower animation. And so that we can keep this as our background, even though it's a short clip, by holding control and expanding and slowing that clip, we can use it effectively as a background. So now let's say we want to add another image in here. Let's say this wreath, pull that one in there. So it's still serving this snowy background is still serving as our background. So here to adjust the scale, I'll set this also to 88% just so it's the same ratio as the other one. And so it's moving from one image to the next. Let's say it's also throw in this Christmas village here. Pull that one in as well. And if you want to slow your clips, you want them to last a bit longer, again, you can hold the control key and drag it to make your videos longer or shorter, depending on how you want them, how you want it to work. But here we've got a bunch of different visuals. So let's say this one, I'll adjust to 88% as well, just so it's consistent. And so we've got multiple images in here, but let's also make it a little better. Let's use some transitions. And with Filmora, there's also Christmas themed transitions. So a lot of cool options that we can use. So this is a Christmas themed one. I'm going to drag it right over there. And let's also use these Santas to add them to that one. So now let's play the clip and see what it looks like with these transitions. So it really makes it a whole lot more Christmas themed, because we've got not only transitions, we've got all sorts of visuals as well. And on top of that, there's also stickers that you can also add. There's Christmas themed stickers. So let's say we add this dancing Santa over top, right? So we can always add even more assets to this, to our videos. If you decide we want to, resize him, perhaps put him in the corner, a nice little effect. So a lot of different ways that we can add some Christmas themed assets in here. So Filmora 14 has a ton of them that we can use in our videos. So it's a really easy way to create a whole lot of Christmas content, even if you don't have any original content of your own. You can add these visuals, add these images in here, make use of these assets, and then potentially add text, add transitions, all these things. So you've got a ton of assets to work with to make your videos really Christmas themed. So if you've got Filmora 14, it's worth checking out those different effects, different media. Just look for the Christmas section for any one of these areas, whether you're looking at media, whether you're looking at transitions. Look for the Christmas tree or the word Christmas, and you should find a ton of assets that you can work with.